Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the A Lange Sohne Odysseus in stainless steel with a blue dial reference 363.179. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Odysseuses, then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So, A Lange Sohne produced the Odysseus in 2019, the end. No, just kidding. They did produce it in 2019, which has only been 6 years. It's their first sports watch. It's their premier sports watch, and it's their only sports watch. They made it in a couple variations. This was one of the first, and they have not a whole lot of variations to it, but Lange, a very traditional company that's been around for a long time, they have many different models, 1815, the Zeitwerk, the Lange 1, etc., etc. But they never had a sports watch. Strangely enough, you would think that they would, for being, how big of a name they were. But finally, in 2019, they relented and decided, you know what, we need to cash in on some of this hype on sports watches, although they're 50 years late, because Audemars Piguet, for example, was doing it 50 years ago, and so was Patek Philippe. And they decided, you know what, we're going to enter a sports watch, which was very wise, because most Langes do not sell above retail. In fact, they sell below retail, and you can buy them below retail at jazztime.com. However, as you can imagine, a sports watch from a premier brand such as Lange, which competes directly with massive names like Patek Philippe, their sports watch would sell also at list or even above list. In fact, JazzTime has sold and can sell you their most premier titanium Odysseus, and that one sells above retail, quite a bit above retail too. So you have to buy a bunch of stuff at Lange to qualify for a watch like that. And A Lange Sohne wisely joined the bandwagon by selling sports watches, because as we all know, sports watches are the most desirable. For good or bad, that's what it is. Okay, anyways, with that said, let's talk about where this watch stands in the lineup. And it stands in a not very big lineup, actually. The Odysseus is either made in chronograph or non-chrono. The chronograph only has one version. The non-chrono has 4 versions, which is what you're looking at here: time and date, and day and date and time. And they make it in the stainless steel that you see, which is not limited. They make a titanium version, which is limited and sells way above retail. They make a white gold on a black strap, and they make a rose gold, which is also limited. So yeah, it's not a lot. And so this one is going to actually be the cheapest. It's very close to retail, actually right at retail, I think. And you can buy it at jazztime.com without going to A Lange Sohne and standing in line for a long time. So yeah. All right, this is a stainless steel with a blue dial. You can't go wrong with it. And they wisely made a stainless steel with blue dial because that is probably the most desirable prototypical men's watch. If you like the brand and you like sports, which every man does, then you'll like steel and you'll like blue. I mean, how could you go wrong with it? A perfect combination for their first sports watch. And it will probably go on to be legendary, I would think. All right, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. Now, what case size do you think that they would make this watch? Well, let's see. It's a traditional company. It's their first sports watch. And the typical size for a sports watch is 40 millimeter, like a Submariner. So what do you know? They made it 40.5. That's more or less 40 millimeters. So yeah, it's a great size. It's a nice fit. It's going to fit 99% of men. And yeah, let's look at the thickness here. And Lange Sohne is known for making not thick watches, but appropriately sized watch. You don't want this watch too thin. They size it at 11 millimeters. Considering it's a sports watch, you got to make it with some heft, so they can't make it 8 or 9 millimeters too thin. So they made it 11 millimeters, and it has the day and the date, Monday through Sunday, and 1 through 31. So not that common for a sports watch to have this kind of day and date, which makes it very, very practical. You could wear it more or less all the time and always know the date and time, which is 2 of the most important things. And it doesn't keep the dial cluttered either. So the case dimension is very nice. What else we can say about this case? Well, like most sports watches nowadays, brands, top brands such as Patek, AP, Rolex, and Lange Sohne, they like to make integrated bracelets. So it looks as if the watch was created with the same designer in mind. And why do I say that it's integrated? Well, if you look at the case, how it connects to the bracelet, it looks all like one. Integration, as opposed to just putting on some random bracelet they use for anything. No, they made this bracelet for the Odysseus. And then if you look down the beveled edge of the case, it goes down the edge of the bracelet and looks harmonious as one. Very, very nice touch here, if you ask me, okay? And then let's take a look here at that. Well, that is the case. It's seamlessly integrated into the rest of the watch. And the bezel is not too thick, not too thin. Nowadays, some watches do super ultra thin bezels, which give a wider dial, makes the dial look wider, bigger. But they didn't do that in this case. They did it with a normal bezel. And the old school way to do the bezel would be super thick. So they just did a dome bezel, which is fine. I mean, a lot of the companies, as you probably know, like such as Royal Oak, Audemars Piguet, or Patek Philippe, they do, these octagonal or, edge-shaped bezels. Lange Sohne decided, no, we're going to keep to our traditional circle, and so they kept it. But they made it integrated bracelet. So if you don't want this strange shape, such as a Nautilus or a Royal Oak, then you can opt for an alternative, such as the Lange Sohne Odysseus. And what a great name, right? Odysseus from Homer and Odysseus in the Greek mythology. Well, yeah, if you don't know, then go read about it. Okay. I guess Odysseus was anyways, okay. So let's talk about the dial now. The dial is a beautiful blue. They only make the stainless steel in this color, so that doesn't matter. That's all you get is blue. But they do a great blue. Very nice blue, actually. And what we can say about the dial is that they put the first two letters. Look at the 9 o'clock position subdial. It's the first two letters of the day, Monday through Friday, FR, for Friday or whatever it is. They do that instead of three letters, and that's so they can keep the date window larger, and they can match the window on the right, which has 2 digits. If they didn't, the font would be smaller or the date window would be bigger. So they opted, hey, let's keep some symmetry. And actually, Lange Sohne is known for that. They keep the symmetry, and now you could actually slice this watch down the center 12 to 6, and it would fold on top of each other because it's perfectly symmetrical. And that is pleasing to the eye for most people. Symmetry, orderliness is a beautiful thing for most people. And Lange is a pro at that. So that's why they opted for a 2-letter window on the 9 o'clock for their date. And on the right-hand side, 3 o'clock position, they have 1 through 31. And of course, they have the small seconds. This is seconds that are running seconds at the bottom. And of course, the hour, minute. And also, since this watch is a sports watch, unlike many of the other Langes, you can tell the time at night because there's luminescent, which is very important because you might be wearing this watch in a dark light situation. It's meant to be an everyday watch. Okay? All right. So great. Let's move on past that and let's look at the movement. The movement is really fantastic. Okay? Now, almost all Langes are manual wind because they're chess watches. And so they don't need to have this rotor getting in the way of, you seeing the beautiful movement. But with the sports watch, it makes sense to have an automatic movement, which they did, again, a fantastic job. But they kept the hallmarks of what is a Lange. So let's look at this. First, let's start with this rotor. It's a beautiful rotor. No doubt they cut it out so that you can see through the movement. And then let's look at the cock. Okay, just kidding. But yes, actually it's called the cock. And they engrave it and embellish it to perfection. Nobody does any movements better. I'm going to say this. Nobody embellishes movements, decorates movements better than A Lange Sohne. Not even Patek. Yeah, I said it. That's because I believe it. And actually, you don't need to believe me. Just look at the movement yourself. Beautifully done finish, brightly colored screws, beautifully chosen rotor. Decoratively, they do the most opulent movement of any brand. That doesn't mean it's the best looking, because there's other beautiful movements such as Richard Mille, which are very modern. You know, even Rolex does beautiful movements. Patek makes, of course, traditionally beautiful movement. But when I say opulent, the word opulent, you know, like a, you know, just an opulent movement. Lange Sohne does it better than anyone else. Okay, the movement is a L155.1, has 312 parts. It's self-winding, has power reserve 50 hours. Okay, let's move on here to, I guess that would be, the bracelet. So the bracelet is a steel bracelet, and it's very comfortable, very lightweight, very beautiful. It's seamless, it's integrated. Okay, and interestingly, you can change you have a micro adjust, and you might wonder where that micro adjust is. You actually press the A Lange Sohne circle button in the center, and that's how you change it. And you open it by pressing on the clasp, sort of like a butterfly clasp on either side, which is also a pretty cool way. So they've really thought it through how to make this bracelet not only integrated, but also adjustable, and also in a cool way by putting their emblem. They just did a great job overall. So I'm going to definitely give it 2 thumbs up. Okay, now let's try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. Well, the watch is retailing somewhere in the 50,000. You can buy it somewhere in the 50,000 range at jazztime.com. High 50s, that is, at least as 2025. I'm going to tell you this. This watch just came out in 2019. A Lange Sohne is on its way up, and so are all watches in general. And people are looking for alternatives other than the big names, AP and Patek. But they want the same quality, and Lange Sohne provides that. They only make something like 3,000 watches a year. It's a boutique company. They hardly make any. Compare that to Patek Philippe, which is making 60, 70,000 watches a year. Compare that with Rolex, which is making 1.2 million. So it's not a common watch. And so producing a sports watch that from a top brand like this, I believe this watch is going to gain in value, and it's also going to gain in popularity as people wake up to the fact that Lange Sohne is a top brand, and bringing a sports watch to play is really going to elevate them. So I'm going to give this watch 2 thumbs up, and look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.